So he's just doing some tacks. Got up in the air for doing the exhaust. He's already done a little bit from the top, started the first bit of the downpipe. I'll just show you underneath it because people haven't really seen underneath it. Got the big mounts for the intercooler that I showed. This is the engine from the underneath. Obviously you can't see that much. Dog bone, the Superflex, Parflex even, Black Series, and the billet Vibrant one. My powder coated subframe, the new rack. You see the downpipe is just started up there, and the exhaust wrap manifold that I wrapped the other day in the video, that Eddie made me as well. You can see it coming around in between the runners. And then the rest of the car, well, there's not really much on the rest. Nice Brembos. It's pretty plain under it. It's not actually too rusty. I need to sort out the straps. You see the manifold for the back and the wastegate. You can just about make up the downpipe already on the hot side. Just tacked on. I've already got the exhaust started. Shan's doing his brakes. Hello.
Rob, we have lights up on here.
You are?
We have the lights up.
Nah, we don't really need them, mate. Look how bright.
Do under here.
You got? Is this one light connected to all the other?
Yeah. It was easy to leave one along. Ah, there you go. I've got one left. It might be alright under here. A little bit of flicker, but nothing. Was I just on record then? Like,
Yeah. Send her on.
Gonna be a good day. Just gonna send it.
Oh, and then zig's it.
Oh, I can probably get it. Plastic as well, isn't it? Brick.
Nice.
Give you a bit more. Hopefully. Oh yeah, wow, there's a lot of fetters.
Well, you
See
say
that?
that.
You got my Mark 5 one over there. If that's
You
what
say that, but
no, there it's all like kink there.
yeah, that's what a mallet's for. But we'll see where he needs the room, and then we'll mallet it.
Yeah, you might have to drop it down quickly and.
He's passing from where it is.
Oh, look how dirty it is under here.
I know, but if you look, because it's so dirty, you can't see the rust, can you? Not really.
Yeah, I should have done that in mine. That's a good trick.
Like,
Sit there, sprinkle off every bit of seams.
under the dirt, obviously there's going to be bits back here, but if you don't look at them...
Am I allowed to put these on?
Where's the fucking... You got any more? Apparently my heat shield for here is missing all of them. Right, so I've got my exhaust back. As you can see, it looks absolutely awesome. This is my 3.5 inch downpipe. It's absolutely massive there. And we've just put up the rest of the exhaust. So this then turns to 3 inch, and that runs all the way back, down and under to a 3.5 inch tip. I think it's gonna look really good. It's not quite where it's gonna live now. I've just got some tweaking to do, but it looks awesome.